welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me and Zawad. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the battery on a key for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys. If you have a Grand Cherokee and you have a key that looks like that, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the battery now. You might have extra buttons, but it doesn't really matter. You might have remote start, trunk release, really depends on the package option. So if you have the keyless entry key like that, stay with us and we'll show you how to do it. All the tools and parts, guys, including the replacement battery, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So how you remove the battery now. You can see that metal tooth right here. We need to push it out. It's spring loaded. Keep it out and at the same time grab the key and pull it out with your nails, just like that. Now looking at the key this way, guys, this is where your metal key goes in that we just removed. And right here, grab a screwdriver, bigger screwdriver better, and pry, sideways, like that. Pry sideways, and if the key doesn't separate all the way, just apply a little bit of pressure here, it's going to open. This is where your key battery is located, guys. Just right here. Now, on the back side, we need to pry the battery up, and it will come loose. I will go ahead and grab the new battery. You can check it out, listed in the description of the video below. It goes in only one certain way. You can see the pulse needs to match with this pulse. You need to come in an angle like that from the back. And push it down, otherwise you're going to bend these metal connectors there. Start closing it on one side. All the way, it will be hard. And later, all you have to do, push your key in. So this is it, guys. That's how you replace the battery on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.